Well, I had a interesting day. I need to wrap this guy up. He's very, very close. I just need to tidy up some wiring. But for some reason, my brain just won't let go of certain things. I don't know what it is, but I have these engines, and I just want to work on engines. I don't know why. I just really enjoy it. And I've got my electronics stuff that I try to do, and sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. And then I built one of these Atlantics, and I put a lot of technology in it, soundboards and box and stuff, and then nobody seemed to be interested in it, so I was a little discouraged. And I thought, well, maybe I should go back to my roots, go back to just fixing engines like I used to. And I looked around to see what I had that I could work on. I have this Pacific here that I like anyway. I also have this 293. I've completed and sold several 293s, and they seem to be popular. So what I thought I would do is go see if I couldn't find it. This is a 1956 date stamp on it. I don't know why my phone's not focusing. 1956 date stamp. It's got some wear on it, no question about it. But I was able to get the correct tender. It's missing the shovel thing, but I think I have that. And I thought, okay, well, what have I got for that? Well, I took the chassis off of this guy, which wasn't really complete. I found a smoke unit. I went through my drawer over here. I have engines. This is my cadaver door, you might think of it as. I have engines. I usually say what they're from. This is a 300. And I have lots of parts. And I have parts over there. Anyway, I ended up putting in a chassis engine together. And I thought, okay, now what are you going to do? Well, I don't know. Let's make it work. Let's put the brushes and the springs and the fingers and everything that it needs, and it ran pretty good. And I thought, well, now what are you going to do? So, well, it's got to have a smoke. So I had this smoke over there. I had this gear off of another engine. I found this shaft. I had this lid over here with a heater on it. And I thought, I don't know what it is, but let's just see what we got. Now with the smoke on, it's pulling about 1 point. Whoa, something flew out. I don't know if it flew out or fell off. Scared me. It's showing about 1.7, 1.8. Oh, it's a smoking. It's a smoker. I don't understand that. I'll have to find out what that was. It flew out. Something came off. Maybe a screw in the wheel. Anyway. There it is. It's running. It's doing its thing. Both directions. The E switch is working. You can see that. I mean, it's dirty and nasty, but it works like a charm. The wire harness is real clean. I got to put some wires together and all that, but I could bolt this into that engine and it would just take off and go down the track. Pretty fun. Alright, well, I felt a lot better getting something done, being able to do something and finishing it and completing it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about these things. They're just so fun. Not warm at all. They're just so fun, and they're so simple. And I've taken parts from 5 or 6 engines and cleaned them, fitted them, put them together, and by golly, the thing just does what it's supposed to most of the time. Used to. Until I start bragging on it, and then it gets mad at me.